to my new apartment. I am so unbelievably excited. I got the keys yesterday and I jumped straight into organizing things, so let's just get into it. Welcome to my new apartment. Oh my god, I am so excited. I can't believe finally move-in day. It's actually a day earlier, which is amazing. They wanted to do the keys a day earlier, so I am definitely not complaining about that. I picked up some coat hangers the other day, and I also have my new toaster and kettle, but the first thing I'm gonna do is actually do a bit of a clean. So I'm gonna wipe down all the benches and then I can unbox these guys, and then I think what I'll do is I'll get in and start hanging stuff up in the wardrobe. But oh my god, I'm so excited. They're so beautiful. I have been wanting this toaster and kettle combination for years, but I never purchased them because I knew that I was gonna move to Canada, so there was no point in getting them until I moved here, and I am so excited to finally unbox these and have them. Oh, they're so pretty. I don't have a coffee machine yet, and I'm trying to decide between whether I should make this side the coffee station or this side. I mean, it is easier because it's right next to the tap, so when I have to fill things up with water, it might be better to do it in the middle, but I can't decide. And I don't know if my toaster will be out all the time as well, but I do toast things almost every day, so it might make sense to keep it out, but I don't know. Originally, this was my idea. I was having them on this side of the bench, and then in the middle I could like lean my chopping board up here, and then in here I could have like soap dispenser stuff, and then maybe like a cute plant here. But I do also have these shelves up here which are adorable, and I can't wait to decorate those. But oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm gonna keep cleaning though, just because there's a bit of dust that's like settled, and oh my god, I'm so excited. I don't even have any other like way to explain it. I'm just so damn excited. This is the best day ever. I went back to CB2 the other day to look at some more furniture, and I ended up getting the little pink mug because it was on sale for like $5, and all the yellow ones were on sale for like $2.95, and they were all gone. Someone had bought them all and I couldn't get it online, so I'm a bit bummed out because I really wanted the yellow and the pink one, but I ended up getting the pink one, and so I can just pop this over here. I picked up 5 packets of 10, so 50 hangers in total from Kitchen Stuff Plus. I decided to just go and get these ones in person as opposed to buying that original packet from Bed Bath & Beyond, which I think I was gonna get. Plus, they ended up being the same price anyway. So I'm gonna unwrap these and pop these into the wardrobe and then start hanging up some of the stuff that's in my suitcase. I've just connected my Google Home so I can start playing some music, but in here, let's go into my wardrobe, and I've popped my hangers in there. I'm gonna start bringing some clothes in and start hanging them up. I just got back from my storage locker and I have 3 massive suitcases. I'm pretty sure this one is just clothes. This is a mixture of clothes because I kind of half emptied it over the last month or so. So I was able to put in like my pantry food, and I have a bag of like bathroom stuff in there. And then this one actually has my plates, all of my kitchen stuff, and a bag of clothes, I think. I don't know, I just tried to fit whatever I could in them, and it was amazing. I just put them in an Uber, came back here, and I'm gonna unpack these now, and that's probably gonna be it for today because it's so hot, and I don't wanna like overextend myself today. I'm gonna go home. And by home, I mean Bee's house, because I am house sitting for her at the moment while she's away and looking after her cat. So I'll be staying there tonight, not here. And I'm gonna go and do some more online shopping because I need to do an IKEA order. So yay, let's start unpacking. I've decided this is where my plates and my bowls will go. I actually want to get one of those plate stands so I can put it over the top of this one and bring these plates down here so it'll all just be bowls and plates on that shelf, because top shelf is just a little bit too tall for me to get all the time. And then, I don't know, I'll have more space for other kitchen things as I expand my collection. Oh, and I will have to rewash all of those because they were put back into the cardboard, and the cardboard's probably dirty and dusty and everything. So I will rewash them as I go to use them or something like that, but not right now. And just like that, it looks slightly more full. I think I might go and get some flowers this afternoon and just give myself some nice bright flowers in here as like a celebratory little self-present. I have this thing, which is a mat to dry stuff on. I got that from Kitchen Stuff Plus. Chopping board, which I think I will probably leave leaning up against here because I just think it's really pretty. Yeah, I got plates and cups up there. This is gonna be like for mugs and glasses. I'm gonna do a glasses order from IKEA this afternoon, so I'll put like drinking glasses over here, mugs over here, and then probably more mugs up there because I have a lot. But that's the start of my collection, and it's all coming together. I've got like a tea towel down here, and then this is what really confused me because I didn't actually know about it. But in here is the cutlery drawer. So I've got my utensils, my cutlery is in here, knives and stuff. I'm gonna get one of those cutlery drawers as well, so I can put that in there to organize everything. And then I've just got these little jars that I got from, they say Sad Forno on them, but I bought them at, I can't think, it's a pasta place just off King Street on, not Sumac Street, what's the other one? I don't know, another street down that way, in East King Street, whatever. And I also have my tea towels. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with them or where they'll be, but yeah, I'm actually really pleased with how much storage this kitchen has. It's feeling really, really nice. This suitcase is just a big mash of everything. I've got clothes, I think there's shoes in here, there are bags, there's hats, I have a thing of documents which can go into the office. I'm putting electronical stuff in there. Oh my goodness. Yeah, see, boots, hats, I got everything in here. So I might drag this one into the, what do you call it, bedroom in a minute, because on this side, I squished in my bag of pantry items. So I can put these into, this is what I call my pantry drawer. So on the island, there's 2 drawers, and I'm gonna make this my pantry drawer. So it'll be easy to like put all of my food in, and I don't know if I'm gonna do with spices. I've got some spices there. I have tea. Maybe I should put my tea over near the kettle. No, I'm just gonna put everything in here for now, and then that way I can like deal with it later, figure out what I want to do. At least the drawer's deep enough though. This is basically all of the pantry stuff that I own. I'm gonna have to buy some like jars and things like that I can put my sugar and whatnot into and make it like super neat and organized. It's gonna be interesting though because I will be looking at things from the top, so if I have any labels on anything, they're gonna have to be on lids, which I think is fine. It's gonna be an interesting way to organize that. So that'll be something I will do in a video in maybe the next month or so as I start to figure out those finer details of moving. But for now, I just gotta focus on getting all my furniture and everything. I have a little piece of decor. So this is a bottle opener. I brought this with me because 1, I love it. 2, it's practical and functional. And I got this from H&M forever ago. I'm not sure exactly where I will put it. I might end up with like a little console table that it might look good on. Now, I got my little gold cheetah head bottle opener up there, so if I need to open any bottles, I'm all set. Okay, I'm making progress. Basically everything in this suitcase was everything from winter 2019, 2020, and this is the stuff that I left here in Canada. Well, most of it, like I didn't have that in Canada. There's a couple of things in here that I had in Melbourne, but for the most part, this was stuff that I left in Canada, and to be honest, I don't really like it anymore. There's a few, like you can see there's a lot of black in here because it was a lot of winter tops, and then it's mixed in with some summer tops, but I need to kind of go through some of that stuff because I don't really like some of it anymore, and I don't know that I would ever wear it. But I'm starting to make some progress. Like, look at my wardrobe, it's coming together. So I did decide that I would just leave this suitcase here because this is stuff that's got to go into drawers, and I'm gonna really need to have drawers soon. So I might think about that tonight and figure out if I can order something, because I was gonna do an IKEA order tonight, and apparently it can be delivered tomorrow, which is amazing. So if that's the case, I will definitely jump on that because then I could get some stuff tomorrow. I found some more kitchen stuff in this particular suitcase. These are just some coffee pods that I brought with me in case I needed to do them for that campaign from Coles, but I don't know, we'll see if I end up with an espresso machine. This is a scale. I have some, what do you call it? Straws with a straw cleaner, a metal straw with this tumbler, and then like a travel coffee mug. So I guess I better find homes for those now. Okay, it's the third time I've been here today. I just did like a big FaceTime thing with my mum. I also went to the supermarket and got some flowers, which I'm obsessed with. I have them in my big mason jar vase thingy, but oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And I've just been measuring some things out. I did some measuring in the living room, and right now I'm trying to do this wall in my office. And so I was going to get 3 of the Billy bookshelf unit things, all different, but they're all 80 centimeters wide. However, if I get 3 of them, it will fit literally like exact in this room. I think maybe like the door, well, the door doesn't have to move anymore, which is good, but the door, like it would come to right here, or I get 2.5 and I get it to the size of this tape measure. I'm just a little worried that if I got the 3, it would completely be too much, like it wouldn't fit. I think it's gonna be better if I just got 2.5, and then if I really needed an extra half, I could get an extra shelf or a door or something like that. You know what I mean? It's a thing. It's a thing. I'll explain it in my next video when the IKEA furniture arrives, but that's what I've been working on. Also, my realtor got me a little gift that includes this fantastic hand soap. This is lemon verbena. I haven't smelt it, I haven't used it yet, but is this packaging not just the most beautiful thing that you've ever seen? It is so up my alley. Like, that is exactly how I want to sort of style with accent colors and pieces right now in here, and I'm so excited. And I just realized I get the afternoon sun in my bedroom. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Look at that sun coming in, it's so pretty. Okay, so I need to measure up on this wall for a dresser. I feel like one big dresser would look better than a small one and then like a bookshelf or something, because I was thinking of having like a little display cabinet for my bags and stuff, but honestly I don't know if I would like it. So maybe just one big dresser, but anyway, I'm gonna go get the tape measure and measure it. I did just lay the tape measure out again in the full 2.4 meters, and like it would either just fit or not quite fit. I can't work out exactly if that would work or not. I think it's probably better to get the 2.5 rather than the 3 full pieces, because that's just way too much of a tight fit. So this is 160 centimeters, which is the bigger hem dresser that has like the double drawers on it, which I love. And like, it's got, you know, decent room, but I'm wondering if I should go the smaller one. Hang on, I need to double check. I think it was 108 centimeters, I think, for the smaller one. Yeah, 108. So if I, oh, that's too far. 108, all the way up to 90, 100, 110. Okay, this is 108 now. Maybe I just get a small one and then like a mirror or something. That could be cute, like or I get a small one. I could get like I think I might go the small one. I feel like I might go the small one and have other options of other things, but I definitely need some drawers for, like, I just need some drawers, definitely. I might even maybe get some drawers for in here or something, drawers or something to help organize the bottom of this closet, because there's definitely enough room in there. Yeah, all of the ideas. Anyways, that's enough for today. I'll be back tomorrow and we can keep moving. Okay, so it is the next day, and today I've gone over to my storage locker again. I took my 2 big empty suitcases and filled them up with as much stuff as possible, and then a little bit later tonight my friend is actually going to help me empty my storage locker and bring everything over here. So for the next little minute I'm going to unpack these suitcases and try and get as much of that done before my friend's ready to come and help me out. So I have this one suitcase which is filled with some clothes, pots and pans, and then some bedding. I also brought my air mattress over so I can inflate that, but let's get to it. It's the next morning and my storage locker is empty. So today's job is to unpack all of these boxes, which I'm so excited about. I think I'm gonna start with maybe this one. I don't even remember what's in it, but let's get it. There's a bit of a mix of stuff in this box. I already went and put all the electronics and office stuff away, but I have all of my mugs that I purchased when I was here last time. A lot of them are Christmas themed because I was here at Christmas, but I can't believe it's been a year and a half. Like, how has it been a year and a half since I actually like touched this mug? It's crazy. Like, I don't know where the time has gone, but it's so nice to unbox all of them. I love this one from H&M. This was from the Christmas collection. It needs a good wash because everything in here is really dusty. I also have a cushion cover. Whether I use that or not, I don't know. And then I have a bunch of bathroom stuff in here, which, to be honest, I don't even know if these palettes are good anymore. What is this? Nope. This has got 12 months on it, so that's definitely not good anymore. And this one actually has 36 months on it, but I purchased it probably in like 2017, so it's probably out of date now. Look at this makeup. Isn't that disgusting? A year and a half of sitting in a box. Ew, that's disgusting. So yeah, I kind of have to deal with this and figure all this out. I'm starting to make some progress. These are all boots and shoes in here, so I can pop these straight into my cupboard. I think this is mostly winter stuff that I kind of left here from last time. I don't even have proper shoe storage yet, but of course I somewhat color coordinate everything. Like, it is in my soul to color coordinate things. I haven't done it to the rest of my wardrobe yet, but it's on the to-do list. But it's just so satisfying when everything's just kind of grouped together in similar items. I just don't know why I like organizing things that way. It's the next day again, and I'm so excited because part of my big IKEA order that I did 2 days ago has arrived. So I have my Billy bookshelf for my office. I have a little half of the bistro set. I don't think the table's here yet. I think that'll be coming next week. My dresser isn't here, which is kind of annoying because I really was hoping to be able to put it together, but that's next week's job. And then I just purchased a bunch of like other random things that I would need. I think I've got some drinking glasses. I got some candles just because I thought they'd be cute. Cutlery drawer, a chopping board, and just a few different pieces. So I'm gonna unpack this box now, and then in my next video, we're gonna do all of this stuff because I'm gonna do like an office kind of video. I purchased this giant cutlery tray and it actually fits pretty well. Like, there's a tiny gap down either side, but honestly, it's pretty good. And there's like a little rubber thing underneath, I think, that kind of stops it from moving it around. But there's like a place you can put utensils, although I think I have too many utensils to put them all here, but I can put them at the back as well. And then I wanted enough compartments for all of my different spoons and knives and whatnot. So I'm gonna fill this up. Oh, my chairs look so cute. These are going to go out on the balcony when the table comes and I get actual dining chairs, but for now I can keep them in here, and then that way I actually have somewhere to sit because it's been a few days without having anywhere to sit, and now I can prop myself up here and eat breakfast and eat my food and work on my computer, which I'm so excited about. But I'm super happy with this little bistro set. I think it's so cute. I don't know what I'm doing with these candles yet. I just thought I would get the set of them because I think that they are adorable. I also bought another one of these sets so that I could build everything, which is great. And then I also bought this little set of storage containers for the bathroom because I really need to get in there and organize it. I'm sure I will get more storage for the bathroom, but this was the start of it.